Hello, friends. Okay, so if you're like me who likes to pair chinchin with granuts, then this recipe is for you. You're gonna like this recipe. Like I was just on my own when this thought came to me. Why not replace our usual butter with peanut butter? Yeah, in chinchin recipe. So I decided to give it a try. I was a bit skeptical about it, but it came out so good and so delicious. Plus, I didn't even use sugar, but oh god, the taste is out of the world. Okay, so in a mixing bowl, add all your dry ingredients and then mix together with a spatula to properly combine. Then add your peanut butter. So we're not using butter for this recipe, just peanut butter. Then mix with your hands to properly combine and then add in your egg and continue mixing with your hands. So just mix properly to form a moist crumb. Then you go in with your milk. So add gradually till you form a nice dough. So look at the dough. It's all nice. Now I'm going to transfer this dough to my work surface. Then I'll sprinkle a bit of flour just in case it's sticky. I'm going to be rolling this out. Now after rolling, I'll cut around the edges so it's neat and very nice. Then I'll just cut into a chin-chin shape. So this is it after cutting. Now I'll just transfer this to my baking tray. Now you have two options, to fry or to bake, but I choose to bake. Yeah. Okay, so I baked this in my oven till it was, brown and dry. Yes, because chinchin is supposed to be crunchy. So this is what it looks like. It's crunchy, it's tasty, it's delicious. Like you should give this recipe a try. Okay, thank you for watching.